welcome to the top 10 NHL Goal Horns of the current day. Number 10, the Detroit Red Wings, but sadly we don't hear it anymore. Number 9, the sound of the refs missing a call, which leads to a goal, also known as the Boston Bruins. Number 8, the Philadelphia Flyers. Number 7, the Columbus Blue Jackets, but only if that ears bleed after the cannon. Number 6, the Minnesota Wild. Number 5, Steve Dangle screaming about losing to a 42-year-old Zamboni driver who works for the team.
They just lost to a 42-year-old Zamboni driver who works for the team!
Number 4, the American National Anthem. Number 3, the sound of people booing at Gary Bettman.
This is as loud a building as I've ever heard.
Number 2, the Canadian National Anthem. And number 1, the sound of an empty arena due to the coronavirus. Thank you for watching this top 10 video. We'll be sure to get back to you with more top 10s.